Hi, welcome back to Glow with Shelly. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the $300 cream I tried. Was it worth it or all hype? Oh, I'm about to tell you. Remember, this channel is all about glowing up, transformative skincare, flawless makeup, and a lifestyle to match. If that resonates with you, hit subscribe. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. I want you to know when I post future videos. Well, guys, I did it. I tried a $300 cream, a $300 night cream. I'm here to tell you if it was worth it. Stay tuned and you're gonna find out. So let me tell you about the cream I tried. I tried the 111 Skin's Nocturnal Eclipse Recovery Cream NAC Y to the second power. Wow, that's a mouthful. If you know anything, 111 Skin is amazing. They test all their products, they're scientifically proven. They're a great company. I love a lot of Skin 111's products. So I don't want to tell you anything. I don't want you to know. I want you to just figure it out. Wait till the end. You're going to have to find out if this cream was worth it or not. So this cream was made by 111 Skin. It's a nocturnal recovery cream. It features a few key ingredients. One of the ingredients that it features is the ingredient NAC Y to the second power. And I don't even know if I'm saying that correctly. Truthfully, I don't. It was developed by a scientist named Dr. Yannis. He tested it in space with a group of European bioengineers, and they tested it on astronauts. And the reason why they tested it on astronauts is because astronauts tend to prematurely age because space travel is much harsher on the skin, and so they wanted to see if this formula NAC would actually work on astronauts in the space station. So that's pretty cool. So there's a lot of money that went into this, a lot of science that went into this. So the $280 price tag probably has a lot to do with how much research and development 111 Skin put into this cream. So it was tested in space. It has NACY to the second power, which is supposed to help promote glutathione production for cellular renewal in the skin. So it's supposed to help kind of erase those fine lines and wrinkles, put hydration back into the skin, promote collagen production, all of that. It's supposed to stop DNA degradation at the cellular level. So this is quite a promising cream if it does what it says it's going to do. It has a special botanical extract called Centella asiatica, and Centella asiatica is supposed to boost collagen synthesis and strengthen the skin, again at the cellular level, reducing any fine lines or wrinkles. It also contains hyaluronic acid, which is supposed to plump and restore the skin, and it contains phospholipids. And if you know anything about phospholipids, they're those lipids that hold our skin barrier together. So this is supposed to help promote healthy skin barrier, healthy skin, supple skin, and help pull moisture back into the skin naturally. And of course, that's going to help support your skin barrier. So there's a lot of science that goes into this cream. So I gave it a 30-day try, and I will have to say that I didn't really finish it. So let me tell you what happened. So first and foremost, this lotion is definitely made for dry skin. Okay, I have oily skin, so I felt like it was a little on the heavy, greasy side for me. I didn't really see much of a change or difference in my skin using this for 30 days. I definitely felt like this cream itself wasn't really something that made remarkable shifts in my skin. I didn't notice anything really with this cream, and that was a little disappointing, actually. So even though this Dr. Yannis Alexandrides, MD, he's puts a lot of research into this cream. The NAC-Y2 compound itself is in several of the restorative creams that 111 Skin has. I wish I would have chosen the oily skin one in trying out this cream, because I feel like if I had chosen the oily skin one, maybe I would have had a little bit better results. But it's definitely a hydrating cream. It it does do what it says it's going to do. It hydrates, it does plump a little bit. I can't say that it's worth $280. And I brought a couple of other creams that I feel are comparable to this 111 Skin Cream, and they are just as good and are going to give you great results, but for a fraction of the price. So one of the creams that I think is very comparable to this 111 Skin Cream that is a fraction of the price is Huda Beauty's Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. And this is a beautiful moisturizer that contains honey, it contains lavender, niacinamides, turmeric. It's a beautiful, thick, nourishing moisturizer. I love putting this on at night. It's so fabulous. It retails for $43. On Sephora though, it's on sale right now, y'all. So get it while you can. It's only $30 right now. Give it a try. Definitely better than the $280 price tag from 111 Skin. Even though, like I said, this is a great cream, I just didn't feel like I could justify spending $280 on a night cream that really didn't do anything more for my skin than some of the other hydrating creams that I have. And then the other cream that I brought with me that I think is very comparable to the 111 Skin Cream is the Skin Fix. And you guys know, you've seen me talk about this cream before. It's the Skin Fix cream, and this is the Skin Fix Triple Lipid Peptide Cream. And this is amazing. It has a lipid complex just like the 111 Skin. It has a peptide protein blend. It has lily root extract. This is going to really restore that skin barrier. It's gonna hydrate you. It's gonna plump you. It's gonna make you your skin look fabulous and beautiful, and it only retails for $60. So it's a lot more economically friendly than a $280 night cream. So I just want to kind of reflect on what I've talked about. So I tried the 111 Skin. Really, honestly, I think it's a great cream. It's definitely not worth $280 for me, or at least for my skin. It wasn't worth the price tag. I will say a little bit about expensive skincare. Guys, there are all kinds of products that are economically friendly that work just as well as some of these more high-end products that have heavy price tags. I think that if you're going to spend a large amount of money, spend it on a skincare tool. Spend it on something that is kind of in the forefront right now, like the EGF serum, where ingredients have to be stabilized in a certain way in order to be delivered. And so you can justify that price tag because there's a lot of science there. And it's really hard to get EGF in a more low-end cream and actually get enough EGF into your skin. So I can understand the price tag on that ingredient. I can't understand the price tag on lipids. Now I realize this has a proprietary blend of NACY to the second power, which may be a great proprietary blend. Again, I don't think it's necessarily worth the price tag. So there you have it. There's my thoughts on the $300 cream, on high price skincare in general. You can really find good finds at lower prices. So keep that in mind when you're out there looking for skincare. Don't think that you have to spend a lot of money in order to really see changes in your skin. I am 46. I have reversed my aging quite tremendously. I've done a lot to really make my skin look good, and I didn't have to spend a lot of money to do it. So thank you so much for watching Glow Up with Shelly, and I will see you next time.